This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dana Gustafson. Beautifully manicured neighborhood. This townhome offers an open floor plan great for entertaining. First floor primary bedroom, large bath, and walk-in closet. Nice kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Nice size second and third bedrooms. Spacious walk-in storage. Convenient to bases, shopping, town center, and beaches. A sweet neighborhood pool and clubhouse. Come soon. Many amenities are included in the HOA fee. For more information, review the details below.